Are you looking for the best laptop desk for bed? In this video we will look at some of the best laptop desk for bed on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Lapgear Home Office Pro. It also has a slot where you can conveniently place your smartphone in an upright position. This allows you to see notifications and messages quickly, or even hop on Zoom calls from your phone while you're working. The 0.75 wide slot is a snug fit for most models, although you might need to remove thicker phone cases first. Comfort is one of the highlights of the Lapgear Home Office Pro. The elevated bottom cushion is soft and comfortable while still allowing air to circulate, and does a good job of providing natural ventilation for your device without needing cooling fans. The wrist pad deserves special mention, adopting the same soft material as the cushion base. It works well to reduce wrist stress and ensure your hands stay in an ergonomic position. The only drawback with the Home Office Pro is the lack of a Legend anti-slip pads to keep your laptop in place, something the cheaper Lapgear Ergo Pro model has. It's not much of a deal breaker in practice, however, as the issue can easily be solved by applying anti-slip pads or keeping the lap desk level. The Home Office Pro's wrist pad has a bigger impact on comfort and ergonomics, making it the better choice overall. Number 2, AboveTech Portable Lap Desk. The AboveTech Portable Laptop Desk is a very compact and affordable lap desk that easily fits inside most laptop bags and backpacks. With a weight of 2.2 pounds and just over half an inch thick, it's one of the thinnest lap desks you'll come across. Despite that, it has a surprisingly sturdy and stable base, with a thermal-resistant layer that efficiently redirects heat despite the ultra-thin design. At 15 wide, the desk is just wide enough to accommodate most laptops. The anti-slip silicone surface ensures your device stays in place, important given the limited real estate. If you like to use a mouse, this lap desk comes with a retractable bidirectional mouse pad, so it works whether you're left or right-handed. The only trade-off with the AboveTech's portability is the smaller desk space. But if you can live with that, you'll find it's an excellent accessory for working anywhere you want. Number 3, Seiji Laptop Stand. It's one of the largest lap desks we've found, with a full 23.6 inches by 17.7 inches surface area. That's a significant increase on the 17 by 13 lap desks that dominate this space. At those dimensions, the Seiji can comfortably accommodate a 15 inches laptop, tablet, and even a notebook with plenty of space left over. It has a slot that can fit either a smartphone or the detachable stand to prop up a book. We also like the storage drawer, where you can put things like pens and valuables. The Seiji is built with ergonomics in mind. The adjustable legs allow you to customize the height to your preference, while the surface can be tilted to an appropriate angle for whatever task you're performing. When not in use, the desk folds down into a relatively compact form for easy storage. Of course, the disadvantage with the larger size is that this lap desk is heavier and bulkier than most. It's also one of the most expensive options on this list. Nevertheless, the generous space and ergonomic features more than justify the asking price for the Seiji Laptop Stand. Number 4, Huanyuo Adjustable Laptop Stand. It achieves this through dual 3-jointed legs, which can bend and straighten to whatever degree you wish. You can drop it down when working in bed, for instance, or raise it up to act as a standing desk. Having the ability to tilt the desk surface is especially helpful for aligning your laptop display at a comfortable eye level. The desk dimension is limited, just enough to fit a typical 15 inches laptop. Fortunately, the stand also includes a separate retractable pad if you prefer to use a mouse. It also has a built-in cooling fan, although it's weak and feels cheap. It's worth noting that the legs can be hard to adjust. Moving them requires some effort and a little elbow grease, and since you need to work on each leg individually, any slight misalignment can cause the whole thing to wobble. Even so, the flexibility and utility you get from the Huanyuo far outweighs this minor drawback, especially for the price. Number 5. Sofia Plus SAM Memory Foam Lap. If comfort is a priority, The Sophia Plus Sand Memory Foam Lap Desk should be your top pick. It has a soft, pillow-like quality that's a joy to use for extended periods. This lap desk uses memory foam for both the bottom cushion and the wrist pad. If you've ever slept on a mattress with this material before, you know how well it molds to your body's contours. That translates to fantastic comfort and wrist support. The thickness of the bottom cushion also has an added benefit. It props your laptop at the correct height, which keeps your eyes, head, and neck in a comfortable position.